Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. If the Sonia Sena government in Maharashtra thought that threats, intimidation, harassment and attacks will stop the Republic Media Network, and that seems to be Sonia Gandhi's fundamental presumption, which is absolutely wrong. She thinks this will stop us from investigating the Palghar case. Listen to me, Mrs. Gandhi. I have not one, not two, not three, but 4 facts to place before you tonight, and you are the one who is quiet. Our investigation, Sonia Gandhi, is only becoming stronger with more and more facts. And our facts will nail your cover-up in the Palghar probe.
"22 days back, on the 16th of April, 2 Hindu monks were lynched by a bloodthirsty mob in Maharashtra's Palghar district. Videos of the spine-chilling crime showed policemen leading the injured seers towards their killers. In the last 3 weeks, the police under the Maharashtra government led by Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP has done little to instill confidence in the investigation. 70-year-old Kalpavriksha Giri Maharaj's family in Bhadohi has no faith in the Uddhav Thackeray government.
16 अप्रैल को पालघर महाराष्ट्र में जो कल्पवृक्षगिरी महाराज की जो ये निर्मम हत्या हुई, उनके हम भाई बोल रहे हैं राकेश चंद तिवारी, सनाब चिंतामण तिवारी पे कंसापुर बेगपुर भदोही जिला से। ये जो सरकार की घटिया जो है नीति चल रही है, इस नीति से जो है इस विषय में कोई जानकारी नहीं हो रही है, केवल उसमें टाल मटोल कोटा पूरा कर रहे हैं। अभी तक अपराधियों का कोई पता नहीं चला। इसमें बहुत लंबी साजिश है, उस साजिश का कोई पर्दाफाश नहीं हुआ और न तो कुछ उसमें जो है किया जा रहा है, न तो उच्च स्तरीय कोई जांच उसमें हो रही है।
Their questions are getting louder because instead of nabbing all the accused, the police chose to release well-edited and heavily produced drone footage. And despite visual evidence from the crime scene, only 5 police officials have been suspended, not expelled. 35 others have been transferred, not even named in the FIR, and the SP has been sent on forced leave. That too, right after the State Home Minister's visit to Palghar. The state machinery that since the very beginning has been pushing the rumour-mongering angle without even investigating the possibility of a deep conspiracy has chosen to turn a deaf ear to the allegations levelled by some outfits on the possible role of hardline left-wing organizations.
At a time of the lockout, in the dead of the night, how could such a number of people assemble there? We have been insisting on a fair and good probe. There are allegations that the persons named in the FIR or found during the investigations include the people, the activists of the CPIM, the role of Kashtkari Sangathan also needs to be investigated.
Eyewitnesses have gone on record to say that there were close to 2,000 people on the spot. So far, 115 people have been arrested, including 9 juveniles. What about 1,885? Has the police let off 94.25% of the accused?
साधारण किती लोक होते त्या दिवशी रात्री?
त्या दिवशी रात्री 2000 ते 3000 लोक होते.
आणि किती पोलीस होते?
पोलीस कर्मचारी 13-14 होते.
So by ensuring a sham transfer of the Palghar SP, has the investigation been reduced to a joke? Why is there no FIR against police despite videos indicating how they were enabling lynching? Why has no police official been arrested despite eyewitnesses saying that there were 13 to 14 cops on spot? Why is the rumor mongering angle being pushed without any investigation into the possibility of a deep conspiracy? Why no probe into how sadhus were attacked by a mob during lockdown without a premeditated plan? And why no probe into how, despite forest guards calling for reinforcements, police didn't stop the lynching?
सरकार ने अपराधियों के विरुद्ध जो कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए उसको बचा रही है और जो केस का खुलासा कर रहे हैं उनको परेशान करने का काम कर रही है.
They tried to silence Republic Media Network's questions on Palghar by resorting to attacks and intimidation. Can the Sonia Sena government in Maharashtra silence the loud demand for justice by seers from across the country?
तो हमने शुरू से इसका मांग किया है कि सीबीआई से मांग होना चाहिए और हमारा जूना अखाड़े का भी मानता है
जो भी लोग वहाँ इन्वॉल्व थे पुलिसकर्मी उनके ऊपर हत्या का मुकदमा दर्ज हो.
क्या राजनीति खेल रहे हैं? सत्य क्यों नहीं सामने लाके देते?
Let's debate.
It's an important subject, and today we will go factually on the matter. Viewers, I began by saying that the Republic Media Network needs your support on this because we are taking on multiple political lobbies and their only interest is to do everything possible. Physical attack, intimidation, standard pressure tactics, threat they'll open up this case, that case, 200 FIRs, fresh prosecutions, threat of arrest, the usual standard 10 Janpath tactics are being used here. But I want to tell 10 Janpath that you can't get away anymore because the media in this country has changed, but your approach hasn't. So on the Palghar cover-up, I will go very factually tonight. I welcome everyone. Sudhir Suryavanshi, Vivek Srivastav, Sanjay Gupta, Manaswi Thapar, Ravi Srivastav, Vijay Krishna, Acharya Dr. Vikramaditya, Ratan Sharda, Raghav Avasthi and Shweta Shalini of the BJP. पर मेरा पहला सवाल आज राकेश चंद्र तिवारी जी से है, जो कल्पवृक्ष महाराज के भाई हैं,
जी सर,
जिनको पालघर में निर्मम तरीके से जिनको मारा गया. तिवारी जी, आपको पता होगा कि रिपब्लिक भारत, रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क पिछले 20 दिनों से हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं कि जो पालघर में हुआ उसमें न्याय हो, इंसाफ हो.
जी सर.
और तथ्य आपने देखे होंगे, हमारी प्रोग्राम को भी आपने देखा होगा. आपको क्या कहना है? आपके भाई कल्पवृक्ष महाराज जी की निर्मम हत्या हुई, क्या आपको लगता है कि सोनिया सेना की सरकार न्याय दे पाएगी? मुझे नहीं लगता. आपको क्या लगता है?
जी सर, सर ऐसा है, अभी मेरी अवस्था तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन कांग्रेस की सरकार को मैंने अच्छी तरह से इतिहासों के पन्नों में पढ़ा है. आज तक जो है, चाहे गोधरा कांड कहीं भी से ले लीजिए आप, जैसे आज जो है आपका कश्मीर है या कोई है, इंदिरा गांधी थी, जवाहरलाल थे, ये लोग आज तक कहने का मतलब ये कि जब ते हमारा यह देश स्वतंत्र हुआ तब ते आज तक ये लोग किसी भी विषय के अंतर्गत कांग्रेस की सरकार जो है कोई निर्णय जो है आज तक नहीं कर पाई है. और इसमें जो है कांग्रेस सरकार की ही साजिश है, जिसके द्वारा आज हम जो है यहाँ लॉकडाउन के अंतर्गत हमारे सगे भाई के, ठीक है वो संत हो गए थे, संत महात्मा तो जो है इस धरती के पूत हैं, उन्हीं के द्वारा तो ये धरती चल रही है, समझ रहे नहीं. संत तो जो है वो हमारा नहीं रह गया, वो तो पूरे राष्ट्र का हो गया. लेकिन कहने का तात्पर्य कि जो है आज सांसारिक जीवन में जो जी रहा है उसे तो नाता का संबंध है. वो मेरे बड़े भाई थे, हम 6 भाई हैं, पंडित लालचंद तिवारी, पंडित गुलाब चंद तिवारी, कपूर चंद तिवारी, दिनेश चंद तिवारी, राकेश चंद तिवारी, सनाफ चिंतामण तिवारी, ग्राम कंसापुर बेदपुर निवासी, भदोही यूपी का रहने वाला हूं हम. और हमारे भाई की ऐसी निर्मम हत्या जो कि एक जो है भारत पब्लिक जो है, यही जो है प्रसारण हम लोगों को जो है जीवित रखा है. नहीं तो आप बताइए कि ये उद्धव सरकार जो है आज तक किसी टीवी पर, किसी चैनल पर, किसी पत्र में, किसी जो है पेपर में ये उद्धव ठाकरे का कोई जबान निकला? ऐसा जो है मुख्यमंत्री और ऐसा घृणित परिवार, राज ठाकरे की बात थी तो बंबई जो है हिलती थी। जिस समय बाल ठाकरे की जो है मृत्यु हुई थी, उस समय मैं जो है इसी पालघर की जो है इलाके में वोयेसर जिला में मैं गया था। वोयेसर में मेरे भाई रहते हैं। अब आप समझिए कि हम लोग पंडित आदमी हैं और जो है हमारे भाई की हत्या हो गई, न तो उसके मिट्टी में हम पहुंच पाए, न तो उसके समाधि में पहुंच पाए, न तो हम उसके लिए कोई कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं, न तो सरकार इसके विषय में कुछ सोच रही है। अगर सरकार कुछ नहीं सोच रही है तो बताइए हम लोग ऐसे जो है गरीब आदमी या हम लोग ऐसे जो है हिंदू कैसे जीवित रहेंगे? हमारे हिंदुओं के ऊपर घनघोर हत्या हो रही है, मुसलमानों से, ईसाइयों से,
अभी मैं देखिए राकेश चंद्र तिवारी जी, इसको मैं इस मामले की इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए। हमें कुछ ऐसी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए जिससे सांप्रदायिक रंग मिले या धार्मिक रंग मिले। मगर जो मूल बात जो आपने कही है वो मूल बात तो है कि कवर अप हो रहा है। अब मैं इस पर डिबेट शुरू करता हूं। I'd like to start the debate with Shweta Shalini. Shweta Shalini on the debate today. And please hear me, and I want to request all of you. Don't make speeches today. Go by facts. Let us have a factual discussion on Palghar. Can I please get a consensus from all of you on that? कि हम तथ्यों पे बात करेंगे। हाँ आचार्य विक्रमादित्य जी, हम पॉलिटिकल बात, सांप्रदायिक बात नहीं करेंगे, मगर तथ्यों पे हम सवाल पूछेंगे। Is that all right, Raghav? Is that all right, Vivek? So we'll have to. So let me then do this. The first point I want to make is
absolutely.
I would like to invite Shweta on the debate with you, Vivek. And my first point is, it has been 22 days, Shweta, since the lynching of Maharashtra Kalpavriksha Giri, Sushil Giriji Maharaj and their driver Nilesh Telgade. We have not heard from Sonia Gandhi, and despite the Home Minister visiting Palghar, there is only a cruel cover-up. Now you'll ask me, why do I talk about a cruel cover-up? Point number one. One, the SP has been sent on leave. That's unacceptable. You send an SP on leave, that's all the action you take. You don't name anyone. Not one police official is named in an FIR, Shweta. Not one police official. 35 policemen transferred, 5 suspended, SP on leave. 1 minute. Don't, no, 1 minute. I said I will have a factual debate.
Suspended. What do you want?
I will have a factual debate. Let me complete. So don't ask me what I want. Let me complete my point, Vivek. I do not want to be interrupted. I let you speak provided you don't speak over me. Thank you. Now my question is, what do you want? I'm asked, Shweta. I want justice. I don't want a sham transfer. I don't want the police officials removed. I want the police named in the FIR because the police enabled the lynching. Am I asking for too much? Shweta and then Vivek. Let's open the debate.
So Arnab, thank you so much. You've asked us to talk about facts. Let's face the facts from the very beginning. This happened 16th late evening. When was the first complaint registered? It was registered on 17th. When was the FIR registered? It was registered on 18th. When was the first time that Uddhav Thackeray spoke about it or Anil Deshmukh ji spoke about it? It was on 22nd. Second, they only registered complaint against 101 people. There were, according to eyewitness, there were at least 1,000 to 2,000 people there.
Let her speak, please. Let her speak, Vivek. I'm telling you, don't interrupt. Vivek, don't interrupt.
Has anybody asked that why did they not fire in the air? Why did they just transfer the SP? Why did they not ask them? Why did they not? It was complete. You have used the word police enabled. I use the word, it was police sponsored lynching. They were actually quite party to this. Look at the videos. Until unless the videos, the entire social media started screaming, nobody moved. The Chief Minister did not move. The Home Minister did not move. And finally, all they did was completely shoddy cover up. And why are they not taking action? There are people still being seen in the video who have not been taken into custody. Why has the MLA from there not been called for asking questions? Where are the answers to all these questions?
There are very fundamental questions here. Vivek, if you can answer on any facts, because I'll count the number of facts you put on the table. You can. I gave you the first turn, but I'll watch whether you have any facts.
Yeah, see, first of all, 100. Yeah, I have got so many facts. See, 101 is not an only number, number one. And let's not become the CBI or the police and start doing a trial by media. It's good to uncover stories. It's very good to expose the truth. It is very good to expose the injustice. But let us not become the judiciary of the nation.
No.
If action is being taken against the police officers,
Shweta,
let us not say suspend
don't tell me what we should
expel क्यों नहीं किया.
Shweta Shalini,
Why only the SP was transferred? And
Has your chief minister called Nilesh wife?
I did not interrupt. So now let me speak. Now you are interfering.
I'm asking you a question. You are in any
Don't
case
interrupt.
not
Listen to me
giving
now.
any facts.
It was the rumors.
Has your chief minister called Nilesh's wife?
Child napping.
Has he
Rumors of
declared
child
anything?
kidnapping led to the lynching.
Every person who
which I
has
condemn.
been lynched
I
has been
condemn the
given a
lynching.
package. Has
But do
your
not give it
chief
the
minister
name
declared
of attack
anything?
on Hindus.
What is the kind of
It is not a
investigation
communal
happening?
issue. It is not a
The
communal
only
issue.
action that has
Do
been
not
taken
try to
has
give
been
it
on
a
the
communal
SP
issue.
and that's it, nothing
Do not
else.
try to say
It just
was
looks
an
at a
attack on
complete
Hindus.
cover-up.
And tell me,
Why were
where was the
fundamental
BJP
questions
sleeping
not asked?
when Swami Agnivesh
Why
was
has
attacked?
the MLA not
BJP
been
sleeping
called for
when
investigation?
Swami Agnivesh was attacked?
Why are you not?
That's not the argument. I'll get Sudhir Suryavanshi into the debate. I want a more informed debate than this today. Sudhir, you are aware of some of the facts on the ground. Let me come to you. Sudhir and Ratan Sharda will debate. आचार्य जी, मैं देख रहा हूँ आपने जो पोस्टर रखा हुआ है, मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास, एक मिनट. Ratan Sharda and Sudhir Suryavanshi. You see, the Home Department has been handed reports saying today that rumors about thieves and child lifters were doing the rounds on social media. There were organ smuggling rumors, and that is why all of this happened. Now, Ratan Sharda and Sudhir, as mature and responsible individuals, both of you will realize is a conclusion is arrived at the end of the investigation by the investigators. In this case, this rumor mongering angle was presented by the chief minister and some politicians at the beginning of the investigation. Now, viewers, I want to ask you, what kind of justice is to be expected in a case like this? If at the beginning of the investigation, if at the very beginning of the investigation, the entire premise of the investigation is set up by the chief minister and the politicians, then the police are only doing reverse engineering.
Exactly, that's the point.
The point is, why do you need an investigation, Uddhav Thackeray and Sonia Gandhi? You've already
Direction has been
you have
given.
already come to the conclusion, Ratan Sharda, that this was a case of rumor mongering and child lifting going horribly bad. There is no need for an investigation. We don't need an investigation. The angle is, it's an open and shut case. They've decided to close the case. Ratan Sharda, this is the biggest farce that I have seen. Ratan Sharda is now on the debate with Sudhir Suryavanshi. Ratan and Sudhir Suryavanshi.
I have seen enough videos of the locals, the local tribals who very clearly say that the huge crowds that collected, you also had evidence of that, but didn't come overnight, it didn't come in a minute. The three unfortunate people are first picked up by the police. They were taken to Forest Police Chowki. After that, after a gap, hundreds and hundreds of people were gathered there. In the FIR itself, though it was filed very late, police says, Kat rachla hota. Kat rachla hota means conspiracy was hatched. People who are arrested belong to, maximum of them belong to CPM party. And the atmosphere of those villages, I have already discussed earlier, by so many fringe groups belonging to left and the church have created an atmosphere of hate within the community by creating unnecessary controversy in their mind and beating their faith. And then at that atmosphere, even if they were thieves, they were saved once. After saving, how does it happen? And see, the SP was not transferred because not working. SP was transferred because he started acting against SDPO and PO. These people who are responsible, and why the police was only transferred, why they were suspended. Do you mean a homicide in presence of police? with arms in their hand, happens, crowd comes there, lynches the people to death, they only deserve to be transferred, they deserve to be only suspended. Is this the kind of justice you expect? And the Home Minister goes all the way to Palghar to transfer the SP, which clearly shows that there is a fear the direction given by the government is not being followed. The story is not going as the script.
Let me get
script.
Sudhir.
That is the danger. So that is the reason why he has to
but
go all the
Ratan
way to
Sharda,
get the
let's go to the
transfer done.
fundamental issue. The fundamental issue was a rumor mongering angle. That is the angle which was pushed at the start by all the politicians. Now, Sudhir, they pushed that angle. Was there any
Arnab, that was
No.
ended on the
One
first
minute.
saving.
Let's
After
get
that,
into the debate. Ratan Sharda.
was no more rumor mongering.
Ratan Sharda, the simple question, I put this to Sudhir, let him answer. Can you come to a conclusion without any investigation? Now, if a chief minister says about a murder that it's not a murder at the very start, then what's the point of investigating whether it was a murder or not? So the chief minister has put the political pressure. Why is there no investigation into how the sadhus were attacked by a mob during a national lockdown without a premeditated plan? Every physical evidence on the ground shows a premeditated plan. No angle of conspiracy, Sudhir. No angle of a premeditated plan, Sudhir. It's a complete botch up and a cover up. Yes, please. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Manaswi, I mentioned you five.
You don't take 6 days.
No, I can't hear you because there's some problem. Either you open up your audio or something.
Particular incident happens until 18th.
Manaswi.
Till 18th, there is nothing happening. Then on 22nd, the chief minister says there is a certain angle. What was government doing for 6 days? These are the people who give judgment. The communist people gave the judgment of murder of Dabholkars, of Dabholkars and Kalburgis. The day the murder happened, they blame people. Now he says,
Manaswi.
oh, don't become CBI. Oh, don't do media lynching. This is the same people who came on debate. I was on the debate when they said Kalburgi or the Dabholkars were killed by XYZ people. Now, where is that sense of justice that you talked about? Now you want us to keep quiet because you at that time blamed everybody around, and you talk about whataboutery, you talk about media trial.
Manaswi, it's a shameful cover-up. There is.
No one is asking anyone to be quiet.
Manaswi, the forest guards called for police reinforcements.
So it is out. Clearly, it is out. The public of India, the citizens of India know what have happened there. So let's not get into that. The Maharashtra government is not doing anything. 115 people have been booked. They are under probe by the CID, Maharashtra police. So let's not heckle the investigation. Let the probe happen in totality. And let me just remind you, Uddhav Thackeray belongs to Shiv Sena, which proudly which says it's a Hindu nationalist party. So let's not get into it. So let the probe be completed, and if there is a loopholes in the investigation, we have all the rights to question the investigation. Let's not premeditate the investigation that this is a fake investigation. This investigation is a
Raghav also on the debate with Manaswi. Raghav.
When we tell about investigation, and let's not be selective about sadhus. What happened in Bulandshahr? What happened with Swami GD Agarwal?
Don't be a liar.
What happened with Baba
Raghav?
Everybody knows that. This is an illegitimate government. And you are an illegitimate spokesperson and a defender of the actions of this illegitimate government which has allowed Hindus to be slaughtered.
Just because you did not get a chance to be in power for the second term, that does not make this government an illegitimate government. Though it's a Maharashtra government, we know how this government is formed, but this is not an illegitimate government. This is a government elected by the people of this Maharashtra. So let's not call this government an illegitimate government just because you did not get the political bosses from Maharashtra government.
Nobody is scared of her. The people of India are not scared. The people of India are not scared anymore. And
you don't have to be scared of anyone. In a democratic country, you don't have to be scared of anyone. Why do you bring scare in democracy? There has to be a democracy which is transparent, and this is a transparent investigation which is happening. The Home Minister is acting on front. The case is handled by the Home Minister.
Raghav,
it is on his table. He's working hard. Why are you questioning
Raghav, an issue which comes up here, and I want Ravi on the right. You know, a very pertinent issue is that everybody on the ground is saying one thing, and Ravi and Raghav, just hear me on this. That hardline left-wing organizations operate on the ground in the Palghar area, which openly called for an armed revolution against India.
Exactly.
They say we will infiltrate the forces, there'll be an armed revolution in India, we'll have a parallel government, idhar hamari sarkar chalegi, etc., etc. They are cuckoo. But they are dangerously cuckoo. Now, despite allegations and questions being raised about certain hardline left-wing organizations, Ravi, tell Raghav, which top office bearers of which hardline left-wing organizations have been called in for questioning?
Arnav, first of all,
now answer my question. First and second doesn't matter. Answer my question.
Please don't put my fader down. I'll not take more than 1 minute and I'll explain it to you. You're blaming any leftist organization, any Congress party, any Congress president is absolutely illogical and far from the truth. You are trying to malign. You are trying to malign or refute a party, perhaps for some
it is my right.
The facts speak for themselves. It is clear that there was a conspiracy. The cops handed these sadhus over.
My questions about Sonia Gandhi and the extreme left-wing organizations are my right, and I say this on the basis of information with me. Your attempts to intimidate will not work, and it's water off a duck's back. Now answer my question. 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 What is my question? What is my question? What is my question? What is my question? My question is, which hardline left-wing organizations, leaders have been questioned? That is all I am asking.
Why should they be?
Why should they be? Who are you? Oh, wonderful. Well done, Ravi. Well done, Ravi. Who are you to answer? Shweta is on the debate with him. Shweta, thank you.
Nobody will be questioned by your saying it.
That's your choice.
You are not the Supreme Court. You are not the defense.
If you're not going to be pressured, why are you looking so nervous?
Answer this question. If there was 144, it was during lockdown. We all agree it was during lockdown.
Ravi, take the question. Take the question. Don't get nervous.
1,000 people came together. Why was action not taken? Why did Home Minister not resign on this? And you don't know anything, Raviji. What are you talking about? Do you know that entire Palghar Dhanu area, arms to arms, is the nara that is going on? Do you know there is a Khap Panchayat that runs there? Justice here, right now. There are people who are running justice courts within those areas. What are you saying? You have no idea of the ground reality. And you are absolutely not talking facts.
Go to the Honorable Court. They will tell you which inquiry should be there.
On somebody's call, one person's call, and that person is a comrade. Why are we not calling him? Why is he not still under lockup? There is a MLA there, the only CPIM MLA across the state of Maharashtra.
So,
how did
Sudhir,
he win? He only won because the entire Constitution supported him. Otherwise, it's very difficult for him to win.
How Agnivesh was attacked.
You have no facts on the ground.
Or you have all questions for Palghar only.
You should.
Why you are selective? You are a bigot.
What are you saying?
You are bigots.
What are you saying? I am telling you the facts.
You are a bigot. I said it. Double speak. You have double standard for everything. Why you are not
because you have no facts. Because
why were they
you
not
have no numbers.
Or you are
Shweta, let me tell you. Shweta, let me tell you. He has no answers to the facts. At the start of the debate, I said, let's debate on fact. If you don't have facts, you want to call names, people understand. Now my question is, everybody is on the debate. Viewers are beginning to see who has the facts and who doesn't. Now my question is next. Sudhir, I think I have your audio back with me. My question to you, Sudhir, is this. And you come into the debate right now, Vijay Krishna is also there, everyone's on. 115 people have been arrested, I am told. Pathetic. Because eyewitnesses have said there were over 2,000 people, Sudhir.
No, you compare it with Bulandshahr.
I am comparing with what eyewitnesses have said. The question isn't to you. Can I have
compare it with
Sudhir on the
UP?
screen so that Vivek doesn't continue, please,
At
like
least
this,
here action
interrupting?
is taking place.
The debate is
At least
between
here action is taking place.
Sudhir and Ratan Sharda, and I'm coming
At
to you.
least here action is
Why am I
taking
getting...
place.
1 minute.
On the very day-
Ratan, I got Sudhir's audio back. Sudhir, how
These
many,
commies are
according
losing
to the
their shirt
eyewitnesses...
because they fear their gangster will be exposed.
Ratan Sharda, let me try to see if his audio... Sudhir, Ravi. According to eyewitnesses, there were 2,000 to 3,000 people involved. According to the facts, 115 people have been arrested, which means minimum 1,885 people are free. That is 94.25% of the accused have not been arrested. Tell me one thing, Sudhir. How did 1,885 people manage to hide in the forests after the lynching?
You know, Arnav, if you can hear me properly, so I will speak up. You know, this rumor and all these things what we have, said in the beginning of the debate. Before giving some answer to your queries or doubts, I must congratulate you, starting debate on the facts and not communalizing, asking one of the panelists not to communalizing the debate. That is one of the best thing it has happened. So coming to the point, I just want to tell the rumor mongering and other people killed on the basis of rumor has not happened, only in Palghar. During the Devendra Fadnavis, when he was the chief minister, that time also, in Dhulia, 11 people were attacked and I think 5 or 6 people were killed, which were from the gypsy communities. So, many panelists, they don't, have knowledge about the demography of the village and hamlet, how many types of people and, their parties used to stay in the villages.
We have.
The village is not only for the BJP
sir.
and the Congress or any
We have
CPM
enough
or
knowledge.
left party.
Don't
the
think you
village
can fudge
is
the
always
facts.
full of with the other, different color of the people. So it is natural that all party people will be there. So it is a part of the investigation.
My question to you was
Maharashtra
different,
government
Sudhir. If I
already
can bring
set
you
up-
back to the question,
set up-
if I may, if you don't mind. What was my question? My question was very factual, and I think since you appreciate the factual tone of the debate, maybe you'll respond with fact. My point is, according to eyewitnesses who are on record, there are 2,000 to 3,000 people present who were in the mob which killed. Okay? Now, 95%, 94.25% of the accused have not been arrested. I am asking you why. Sudhir, why?
I can't hear you.
Okay, why?
You be a little loud. I can't hear you.
No, I said 94.25% of the people who are involved have not been arrested. Why? Why?
See, it's a matter of investigation.
Come on.
The bigger question is what happened to people who are arrested?
Sudhir.
Investigate.
No,
Before that, we
Shweta
cannot,
is back
pass
on the...
the
No, this doesn't work.
judgment. Let the police investigate the case thoroughly.
I now
So,
want
Why
to...
was SP transferred? Tell me why SP was sent
What
on
is the truth?
leave.
It will definitely come
No,
out.
tell me
no.
why SP had to be sent on leave when he was working there.
Tell me, Sudhir ji, you have said we don't know the reality on the ground, etc., etc. We don't know the caste, creed, color. Simple question. Why did the policemen, 20 policemen standing there, why did they not fire in the air? In the video,
So that
if
is
you've
the
seen
case
the
of
video,
investi-
there are policemen who have actually handed over the sadhus to the entire mob. Why did the
it is a
Home
matter of
Minister go to
investigation.
Palghar
If the police
and
are
only
guilty in the
send
investigation,
SP on
they will be
leave?
definitely
Why did he have
suspended.
to do such a cover-up?
You as a citizen of India,
Who are these
you
people
and me should
who
have to pay down
are
the
arranging for the bail
of the law.
of
Vivek.
these
Whatever is happening, we always
501
trust
people?
whatever judgment by the Supreme Court, we always trust whatever investigation done by the police.
No, that is a very
we have
technical
to trust.
question. Vivek is on the
Why,
Vivek.
why is Uddhav government not transferring the case to CBI?
Hypothetical
That is what we are
figures,
asking.
hypothetical
Why is he not
numbers.
doing that?
Shweta, the BJP had a satellite and your satellite counted the numbers, it seems. Hypothetical figures, hypothetical numbers. Don't communalize. It was a child kidnapping rumors.
What are you saying, Vivekji? You think the eyewitnesses
Stop
are
doing
wrong?
the Hindu versus Muslim.
What are you saying?
That's what you BJP guys do. Okay? 115 is not a small number.
First and foremost,
And you don't decide how the police is
you
going
mean
to
to say that
be
the
punished.
eyewitnesses are wrong?
You don't decide who was
This
guilty,
is
who
what
was
you
not.
do. From top to bottom, you are
cannot decide.
completely in
The
denial mode.
BJP cannot decide
completely in the
who's the
denial
accused
mode.
and who's not.
And that is
You
what was
concentrate
done
on
to
Bulandshahr,
Mukhyamantri,
which you messed up. You
Shweta.
concentrate on the beating of.
Now my next question is,
When you laughed at him.
my next question is,
On
There is
Acharya
an
Krishnan, you
eyewitness
laughed when he
saying
was told.
there were thousands
You
of
do
thousand
not
people.
believe in saints.
What are you saying? Was
You
he
do
wrong?
not
Is he
believe in
lying?
saints.
Why should he lie?
You believe in using
Don't you see that the policemen
saints
are actually
for getting
handing over?
votes? Because
you don't, Vivek, you're sounding very shallow. You don't need satellites when you have eyewitnesses. You have eyewitnesses. I believe the eyewitnesses. You believe the satellites.
There are no eyewitnesses.
Oh, really?
All furji.
Oh my
All
God,
furji.
viewers. That is the position.
Yes.
Reject the eyewitnesses. अभी
Not so
देखिए,
many of them, it's all furji.
आचार्य डॉक्टर विक्रमादित्य आप डिबेट पे हैं. अभी आज पूरे कवर अप किस तरह से हो रही है आप देख रहे हैं. कह रहे कोई भी आईविटनेस को किसी भी आईविटनेस की बात सुनी नहीं जाएगी. आचार्य डॉक्टर विक्रमादित्य is on the debate with Vijay Krishna. आचार्य डॉक्टर विक्रमादित्य and संजय गुप्ता.
विवेक जी आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. विवेक जी आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. यहाँ जो भी लोग बैठे हैं डिफेंड करना चाह रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट,
आप शर्म करिए.
जो इतने सालों
We are honest citizens of this nation.
ये क्लियर
believing in the Constitution.
केस है इसके अंदर.
आपकी आवाज नहीं निकली.
के आगे है उसके बाद भी आपको इन्वेस्टिगेट करते करते
आचार्य डॉक्टर विक्रमादित्य.
साधु मरा है ना.
77 साल के
साधु
बूढ़े
को
साधु को
जस्टिस
मारा
मिलना
गया.
चाहिए कि नहीं?
आप
विवेक
चुप
जी,
रहे.
विवेक जी, just give me one answer. Whether the sadhus are the citizens of this country or not.
Go on, Acharya.
Vivek ji, don't ask.
Sanjay.
Vivek ji, just listen to me. Just give me one answer. Whether the sadhus are the citizens of India or not, they should get the justice or not.
You were silent.
We know the police have the full capability.
Sanjay, Dr.
But the government doesn't want to do that. The government is not supporting.
When Swami Agnivesh was beaten, you were laughing. You were not interested in
विवेक जी, विवेक
You are
आप मुझे
संजय
बताइए ना,
गुप्ता
साधुओं
and
को
आचार्य
न्याय मिलना
विक्रमादित्य.
चाहिए नहीं मिलना चाहिए. वहाँ बैठकर आप लोग
संजय.
केवल राजनीति करना चाहते हैं.
विवेक जी का बयान बिल्कुल
साधु
गलत है.
आपके वोट बैंक तो
विवेक
है
जी के
नहीं.
बयान से हम बिल्कुल सहमति नहीं रखते. विवेक जी का बयान एकदम गलत है.
चाहिए आप जैसे लोगों को. आपके लोगों ने वहां पर जिस प्रकार की साधुओं की हत्या कर दी और उसके बाद आप लोग डिफेंड कर रहे हैं उन लोगों को. आपके सामने इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है. इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद कुछ
विवेक जी के बयान से बिल्कुल भी सहमति नहीं रखते. विवेक जी का जो बयान है बिल्कुल गलत है. इसको किसी भी तरह से किसी भी आधार से नहीं माना जा सकता.
अरे क्या
इनके जैसे बयानों की वजह से ही आज उद्धव साहब पर बात उठते हैं, सवाल उठते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल बिल्कुल निष्पक्ष तरह से इसकी जांच करना चाहते हैं.
विजय कृष्णा
सालनी जैसे नेताओं को बात करने का मौका
विजय
मिल जाता
कृष्णा
है.
is also on the debate.
क्योंकि श्वेता सालनी जी को यही दिखाई नहीं देता कि उद्धव जी ने किस तरह से आकर के अपना बयान दिया, उनको दिखाई नहीं देता.
संजय
किस तरह से स्टेटमेंट दे उद्धव जी के श्वेता जी को सुनाई देगा. वो किस तरह से आकर
संजय गुप्ता जी,
उनको श्वेता सालनी जी को दिखाई नहीं देता, ना सुनाई देता, ना दिखाई देता. किस तरह से दिखाई देगा? किस तरह से बोलो उद्धव जी? और अगर आप सीबीआई को देना चाहते हैं तो आप एप्लीकेशन दे दीजिए. अमित शाह साहब कहते हैं 1 वीक के अंदर सीबीआई को सौंप देंगे इस केस को. क्योंकि आप ये जो चाहते हो कि आप कभी भी उद्धव सरकार पर विश्वास कर नहीं सकते. उद्धव सरकार पर आप विश्वास कर नहीं सकते. आप एक एप्लीकेशन दीजिए कि हमको आप पर विश्वास नहीं है, उसी टाइम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे इस केस को सीबीआई को. एप्लीकेशन दीजिए. संत समाज से
Viewers, I also now want to question some of the reports which have been sent forward. Vijay Krishna, calm down. Vijay Krishna, reports have been sent. Reports have been sent by the Palghar police to the DGP claiming that the lynching took place in exactly 7 minutes alongside highly produced drone footage. Now the factual question there is, when the Sarpanch held off the lynching for 3 hours, and we have that on record, how is the police saying that the lynching took place in 7 minutes? Is the police putting out excessively produced and dramatic drone footage to give the illusion of an investigation? Is an elaborate cover-up exercise underway to hide the real truth of how 2 sadhus and their driver were lynched on 16th April?
The location same.
Now my question is this. The nation is asking questions. When will the Sonia Sena reply? I have been interrogated for 12 hours because I asked questions on Palghar. And I asked the leaders of the parties in power to speak up. I will continue to speak on Palghar and entirely more loudly and with greater conviction. The difference is today, you need to understand this. The whole country is asking the questions. Now, the brother of the lynching victim is saying there is a conspiracy. Will nobody listen to him? Vijay Krishna, the Juna Akhada is saying that it's been 24 days.
Everybody is listening.
No, if everyone is listening, where is the action? All I'm seeing is a cover-up. You can't transfer the case to the CBI. I want to ask the people watching the program tonight, how many of you have faith in the ongoing investigation on Palghar?
Sorry,
Vijay Krishna.
Arnab Goswami ji, please change the frame. I'm a political analyst.
Continue.
What's happening in Maharashtra? In the year 2008, we all know how Swami Lakshmanananda was brutally murdered by Christian missionary and Naxal nexus. And it has been proved conclusively that it was Christian missionaries and Maoists who were involved in Swami Lakshmanananda's gruesome murder because he was serving the sections of Hindu society and he was not converting none.
We can't.
Since he was a stumbling block against the Christian conversion.
I want to Vijay Krishna 1 minute. Vijay Krishna, I'll take you out for a while because at this point of time, and I'm requesting assistance. At this point of time, I am only into who killed. I will not conclude that this group or that group did it. Vijay, thank you. I will not come to that conclusion. But what I will certainly ask Ratan Sharda is, why does the investigation not include these extreme left-wing groups? The families are asking, the VHP is demanding, Acharya Vikramaditya is asking these questions over the delay.
From day one,
you see, the nature of the investigation and the fact that Ratan Sharda, they are not willing to look at the conspiracy angle, reveals something. Ratan Sharda and Ravi.
Political activity and the church promoted various evangelist groups and also Pathalgadi kind of people, Naxals there, who have done two villages have been converted to Pathalgadi. All this activity, all this hate generated there has to be probed.
Why your government was sleeping for 5 years? Why did you not catch them?
The tribals are so
what you were doing?
That when they got a chance, they collected together
you were in the government for 5 years,
the
for
tribals
14 to 19. Why did you not catch them?
That they are being blamed.
Why did you not catch them for 5 years?
Shweta!
Or you are
Shweta and Ravi.
Shweta, what are you saying?
Is it? You are also hand in gloves with them.
Ravi ji, please be a little shameful. At least we did not allow them to feel safe.
5 years, you were in the government.
This kind of thing never ever happened. You tell me, if you know, is there somebody called Peter DeMello there? Yes or no? Is he involved in this case? Yes or no? Why did he have to change the name to Pradeep? Why did he have to change the name to Pradeep? Have you called the MLA? He is also a converted Christian. Have you called him? Have you asked him how many comrades were there in the video? Why are they not behind bars right now? Why are they not being
I am on a limited point.
There were 2 people out of the 115 arrested. The 2 are the BJP booth workers. Do you know that? Can you deny the fact?
I know the
Sarpanch Chaudhary,
the
BJP
herself is from BJP. She held the lynching for 3 hours. She has been threatened. Her life is in danger. What do you know, Raviji? I know it. Yes, she's fighting a battle. She might die. Please look at the entire incident. Look at the vehicle. It's a typical Naxalite movement. This is how Maoists and Naxals operate. This is how they kill policemen. Look at how the entire vehicle was upturned. Talk facts. Please talk facts. This is a complete sham. This is a complete cover-up. The case has to go to CBI because everybody top to bottom is like Vivek and Raviji who are denying nothing else.
65 serial number. Watch it. They are BJP.
If there would have been an applause right now, the entire Bollywood, entire so-called liberal brigade, entire award-boxing gang would have stood up and said that, you know, Maharashtra and Palghar and India
Shweta ji, if you have so much of ground report, just answer me one question. Why did the Dadra Nagar Haveli turn their gates towards the sadhus? Why did they give them that entry?
You answer my question. In lockdown
and Shweta ji, you say that it's a Naxalite or a Maoist attack. Till few months back, it was your government there. Why did they end up the Naxals and the Maoists? Why a sudden rise of Naxals and Maoists suddenly when there is a change of government? Do not play politics. It's a sad day. Do not play politics. I remind you, they cannot be selective politics on sadhus. When you question sadhus of Palghar, you also have to question
how are people allowed to travel Can you answer that
have to question the death
It's a
of
complete
GD
sham.
Agarwal.
And
You
what
cannot
you
be
are going to
selective.
cover up
You cannot play politics in this kind of
Shweta,
situation.
Nothing else.
Shweta,
Why did Dadra Nagar Haveli, which is governed by the central government,
Manaswi, I'm
close their
asking
doors
you,
towards the Sadhu?
Manaswi,
Just one question, answer this. If you
Manaswi,
have
1
so much
minute.
of ground report-
Listen to me. There is such extreme reluctance to speak up on the Palghar case.
During the lockdown,
The
it's about
Maharashtra, allow me to
being
complete,
human.
Manaswi, I took your name.
It's about being
I took your
human.
name. I took your name. You're on screen. So listen to me. The Maharashtra Home Minister, after 21 days of the lynching, goes to Palghar. And he says, learned the exact sequence of events from members. Why does he not speak up on why during the entire quote-unquote sequence of events, were the police fair? Did the police disperse the mob? At a time when sources are claiming that applications are being made seeking the release of those arrested, and there is likely to be political pressure to let them off the hook, why doesn't Sonia Gandhi and the Maharashtra government come out and say that there will be no such free rein to those people arrested? Why are they taking applications? Is that the job of the government to take applications from people accused in a heinous murder? And 2,000 people mob has congregated, 1,885 people are free. Why is there a narrative that rumors triggered the mob lynching? What rumors, Ravi? What rubbish? What rumors? If rumors triggered the lynching, no, 1 minute. Question for you, Acharya Vikramaditya. The question is, ये कह रहे हैं अफवाहों के कारण हुआ.
If the investigation is going
You as
properly,
the people
why
of the
do we have
country
to question and derail the
support us on
investigation by
this.
creating such kind of an
आचार्य
environment
डॉक्टर
wherein
विक्रमादित्य,
they're trying to derail the
ये लोग
political
कह रहे हैं
scenario
कि
of
अगर
the Maharashtra
अफवाहों के
government.
कारण लिंचिंग हो गई तो मुझे बताइए कि क्या 3,000 की मॉब वहां पे खड़ी थी रेडी कि कब बताइए किसको कब मारना है? और सरपंच को 3 घंटे मॉब को रोकना पड़ा और पुलिस ने कुछ नहीं किया. आप अफवाह वाली थ्योरी स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं. क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप क्या चाहते हैं? भारत में जो हिंदू संत हैं उनके कोई मानवाधिकार नहीं है. हिंदू monks have no human rights in this country. हाँ, विजय कृष्णा रवि, is that the message you're trying to give? The Bombay High Court has sought a status report of the Palghar case. It has to be turned in on 14th of May. You think the people of this country are not watching? You think the courts will not be observing the facts on the ground? We'll be intimidated for asking the questions. Huh, Ravi? You'll shout on television at us, water over duck's back.
दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो
दूध
जाएगा.
का दूध, this is a national campaign now. Ravi, remember it's a national campaign. Ravi, it's a national campaign. There's no looking back now. आचार्य डॉक्टर विक्रमादित्य,
मुझे बताइए इस देश में जो संतों की आवाज उठाता है उस पे आप केस कर देते हैं. अर्णव जी को किस प्रकार से परेशान किया गया पूरा देश जानता है. आज जो संतों की बात उठाए उसको परेशान कर दो, केस को दबाने का प्रयास करो. यही गवर्नमेंट कर रही है ना. यही पूरे देश में सब क्लियर आ रहा है. तो आप समझे इस देश के अंदर क्या हो रहा है. जहां बैठकर आज डिबेट में पूरा देश आपको देख रहा है तो एक संदेश देने का प्रयास करें, इस बात को कहने का प्रयास करें कि गलत हो रहा है. हर व्यक्ति को इस देश में जीने का अधिकार है. अरे संत मारे गए तो कम से कम 2 आंसू बहा दो संतों के लिए. 22 दिन हो गए, आपको सारा का सारा कैमरे के समक्ष है सब कुछ जो हुआ, उसके बाद भी आप किस चीज की इन्वेस्टिगेशन करा रहे हैं.
अरे भाई,
करने का काम चल रहा है. गवर्नमेंट को पता है
संत लोग ही संतों की हत्या करते हैं इस देश के अंदर.
कैपेबिलिटीज को पूरा देश जानता है. उसके बाद भी जब पुलिस एक्शन नहीं लेती है, दिस इज कोल्ड ब्लडेड मर्डर. कोल्ड ब्लडेड मर्डर हुआ है. जो पुलिस वाले इन्वॉल्व थे उनको अरेस्ट किया जाना चाहिए. खाली सस्पेंड करने से काम नहीं चलेगा. अरे कोर्ट में जाएंगे, चिंता मत करो. आप लोग कोर्ट में जाएंगे ना. आप अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं कर सकते तो जस्ट हैंड ओवर द इन्वेस्टिगेशन टू सीबीआई और एनआईए. Why you are investigating? From last 21 days we are seeing this thing. The cover-up is going on. No proper investigation is going on. You are just arresting the innocent people who were just juvenile people. Just to cover up the case. Just
बनने के लिए संतों से काम करिए.
केवल
संत ही हत्या कर रहे हैं संतों की.
केस में सामने लाकर आप खड़ा कर देते हैं और वहां के काष्ठकार संगठन जो है, जो ईसाई संगठन है, वहां जाके उनकी जमानत के लिए अप्लाई कर देता है. क्या हो रहा है पूरे विश्व को जानता है, पूरा देश जानता है किस प्रकार की राजनीति हो रही है. और यहाँ बैठकर कुछ लोग किस प्रकार की राजनीति करते हैं. अंधे हो गए हैं. आप जैसे लोगों को पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या? संत मर गए.
Now the question is 1 minute. We have limited time. Sudhir, one second. Let's look at the facts. Raghav. Okay, Raghav is on the. Calm down. Raghav is on the debate. Please calm down. Raghav. you know, in all other cases in the past, and you're a lawyer, they've all asked, this same group has asked for transfer of cases to higher authorities. So when there was a, police action against protesting students at JNU, all these Congress, all these people, they said there should be a high-level investigation. But when 2 Hindu monks are killed, then there should be no high-level investigation. Explain why, Sudhir. See, second question. Yeah, okay, Raghav first.
If these monks had belonged to any other religion apart from Hinduism, then these same elements would have started crying blue murder. The fact is just this: these people have differential standards when it comes to Hindus and members of other religions, and that is probably because they're on the payroll of some foreign intelligence agencies who want Hindus to be undermined in their own country. And I think this is the crux of the matter.
Sudhir.
This is why you don't see any outrage from them whatsoever.
Sudhir. Yeah.
And hence, and for them, Hindu lives are cheap. For them, the lives of Hindu monks wearing saffron are cheap. That is the fact.
But Manasvi is on the debate. Manasvi is countering you.
Raghav, like you
Manasvi.
try to derail the topic and try to play politics on Hindu saints. There cannot be two sides of the same coin. When the Hindus of when the saints of Bulandshahr are killed and the saints of Palghar.
No. The question is not that. The question is about differential demands. The question is about differential demands. Raghav, let me explain to him. The question is, see, whenever you say take a case to a higher court, have a CBI investigation. You remember the Congress in Kerala went to court demanding a CBI investigation into the Periyar double murder case, with the Congress leader saying, we cannot allow that, we don't trust the state police. So then in this case too, since the state government is appearing such a biased, motivated, prejudiced party, and political pressure is being put on all sides, have an impartial CBI investigation. What is there to hide, Manasvi? छिपाने के लिए क्या है?
How do you think that CID is not acting impartially?
I've given you the facts.
CID is acting. Why do you think, or why do you try to create, Raghav, in a way, a political crisis here that CID,
There's
which
no
is
political
an independent
crisis.
body, is not acting independently. There is no bias.
Shweta is responding.
And let me remind you, Shiv Sena is one of the parties which proudly says it's a Hindu nationalist party. You have doubts on everyone. Just because BJP did not make it up to the Maharashtra political scenario, you are doubting an elected body.
It's not about Hindu, Christian, Muslim. It's not about religion. It's about justice.
बुलंदशहर पे आप क्या करने वाले हो उसके ऊपर कोई जवाब नहीं है. जीडी अग्रवाल जी के साथ क्या हुआ उसके ऊपर कोई जवाब नहीं है. आपके पास सिलेक्टिव जवाब है. You are just trying to play selective politics. Let the government, let the investigation agencies come up with a investigation report. Let the courts take its own course of action. Let's not derail it. Let's not try to
those questions into account at all.
Viewers,
this has been done on purpose. This is exactly what we are saying. We are not doubting you. We are not doubting the CID. We are saying
everything is on record. There cannot be the Maharashtra government. Let me just tell you one more thing.
No, I believe there are a million other examples in which in any case like this, see, Manasvi, you may not like it, but the problem in the Palghar case is the state government has made its intention not to do a proper job quite obvious. It's for the courts of law in this country and for their lordships to restore faith in the people of India on an investigation into which your lordships, the people of India, are looking for justice. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.